Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can separate music and vocals from any song quickly. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my computer, and first thing first, we need to go to our browser, and then we have to search for this website, Vocal Remover with AI. You have to search for the vocalremover.org. Once you have found it, you can open this website, and you're going to upload your song right here. I'm gonna click on browse my files, and then I'm going to choose this one. For instance, I'm going to write music and vocals from the song. Okay, and we have to wait until the song has been uploaded to this website. Okay, and now the audio is being processed, and we just need to wait for a moment, guys. It will take a minute, and I'll be right back. Okay, and now as you can see guys that the music and the vocal have been separated from the song, and if we want to save it, we can go to the save button, and then you can choose either you want to save the music only, vocal only, or music plus vocal, and I'm going to save the music only. And now the music is being saved to my device. Okay, now it's being downloaded. Okay, now it's done. Alright guys, and that's all the way to separate music and vocal from any song. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.